Alright, so we're hoping to show that secant squared times cosecant squared is equal to secant squared plus cosecant squared using trig identities. So the first thing we can do is we can rewrite secant squared as 1 plus tangent squared. And then we can rewrite cosecant squared as 1 plus cotangent squared. Alright, and then we have to multiply this out, distribute it, use the distributive property, otherwise referred to as FOILing. So we multiply the first term, the outside term, the inside term, and the last term. So we'll start with the first term, which is right here. 1 times 1. Alright, now let's do the outside term, which is 1 again. And then over here the outside term is cotangent. Cotangent squared. Alright, and then now let's do the inside term, FOIL, first outside inside, which is tangent squared theta. And 1. Those are the two inside terms. And then now we have to do last. And last is, we have tangent squared and cotangent squared as the last terms. Okay? So this gives us, after FOILing, we get 1 plus cotangent. I'm going to have to write this a little smaller, I'm realizing. Alright, go over. Okay, it leaves us 1 plus cotangent squared theta plus tangent squared theta plus tangent squared times cotangent squared. Alright, well 1 plus cotangent squared, that's an identity. That is equal to cosecant squared. Sweet. Now we have tangent squared plus tangent squared times cotangent squared. Let's look at this part. Up here. Tangent squared is sine squared over cosine squared. Okay, cotangent squared is cosine squared over sine squared. Oh, they're reciprocals of each other, right? Reciprocals, when you multiply by them, cancel to 1. Tangent squared is 1 over cotangent squared. So when we multiply them together, we just get 1. So we're left with cosecant squared plus tangent squared plus 1. Plus 1. But the thing is, tangent squared plus 1, oh, that's secant squared. So we get cosecant squared theta plus secant squared theta. Okay, final answer. There it is. We have made, officially, we made secant squared plus, times cosecant squared. We have manipulated it and shown how it is equal to cosecant squared plus secant squared. And that's it.